All right, what's up, y'all? Hey, listen. 1,000 fathers that go to court today and have a woman in court try to accuse them of being a deadbeat dad. This is why they shouldn't have more time. This is why they should have time taken away. I'm going to help y'all understand something about a deadbeat. Number one, I started the League of Dads about 13 years ago. No, 2006. 2005, 2006. So almost 20 years ago. But I've been helping fathers since 2000. It just didn't have a name for the organization. If you're going to ask anybody about the acts of a father and the acts of a deadbeat, it's the reason why they're defined as two different things. A deadbeat will never ever show up in court. If you're fighting for custody, if you have custody of your child and you get a letter to come to court for a modification, whether it be an upward modification for more, to give you more, which has never happened, but which is more so happen all the time, you'll get a modification for less. So you'll get a letter, a petition, they'll petition you to court for custody. It'll just say custody, most part. Let's go with that. A deadbeat is not going to show up. A deadbeat is not going to even come to court. A deadbeat is not coming to court. A deadbeat going to get that letter and be like, the hell with that, I'm not even going. So I find it amazing how a father gets called a deadbeat when they're not the same. But so allow me. I find it amazing, but I'm going to tell you guys why. There are two different mind states, an adult or a child. When you are fighting when you're fighting for custody, you're not fighting an adult. You are fighting a child. You are fighting someone that has a worse part of acknowledgement than the children themselves. So let me give you evidence to prove what I'm saying. If you ask, how many times have you ever heard a child say, "Mommy, I want something to eat," as opposed to the childish method, "Mommy, I'm hungry." A child, when they ask for something, they know how to present it to you in its worst situation to get an effect. A child will never say, "I want something to drink." A child will always say, "I'm thirsty." And they say, "I'm thirsty," because thirsty is the worst form of needing something to drink. So they'll present it to the parent as its worst form to try and get the best response. So when a father is drugged down to court, he is always he's always going to be told he is a deadbeat, the worst form of a father to get a response. You need me for help. 732-947-1988. I'll start with the court coaching, and then I can go help you with your paperwork, help you understand you went to court, you got screwed, you need somebody to talk to. 732-947-1988. Text help. I'll get you started. Later, y'all.